Hello friends, let's learn how to make pulihora. 1 teaspoon of oil. Add few methi seeds. Add some coriander seeds. Add some cumin seeds. 6 green chillies. So it will transfer to jar. Add some tamarind. Small piece of jaggery. Blend. 3 teaspoons of oil. Mustard seeds. Add some peanuts. 1 teaspoon Chana dal. Urad dal. 2 red chillies. Roast. Turmeric. Curry leaves. Pinch half Hing. Add the tamarind paste. Add some salt. Mix well. Cook the rice. Add tamarind into rice. Mix well. Ready to eat. Pulihora. I hope you liked that video. Subscribe to my channel.